Welcome back, everyone. I'm Spencer with Promation USA. Thanks for tuning into our Learn, Educate, and Grow series. In today's video tutorial, we will be guiding you through the world of cobots and cobot integration. Techman collaborative robots are not only your best new employee, but they are the first step into a user-friendly collaborative automation world. With new cobots being introduced worldwide, more users are seeking to deploy collaborative robots easier and faster into production. To make the startup process seamless, our team today will assist you with some preliminary steps on how to set up your new cobot and launch your team into deployment. Before getting started, be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest product videos. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's dive in.
Let's begin by mounting the cobot to the designated table. Once your cobot is mounted properly, we will begin grounding the robot to the controller. Located underneath the controller will be a grounding port. Unscrew the screw and connect the grounding cable to the controller. Connect the opposite end of the ground cable to the back of the cobot. Connect the robot power cable to the robot power port located underneath the controller. Depending upon configuration, take the 110 or 220 volt power cable and connect to the power port located underneath the controller. Ensure that the power switch is switched on. You will now have to connect a mouse and keyboard, wired or wireless, and an HDMI cable. Connect the HDMI cable to a TV or monitor. Engage the e-stop and press the power button to turn on the machine. Wait about 20 seconds and release the emergency stop. The ring light will change from red to light blue. You have now accessed collaborative mode. To move the robot, access the free button located on the side of the camera and move the cobot to a safe position. Note: collaborative mode may make irregular sounds. Continue to move the cobot until you have reached a safe position. Once you have reached a safe position, press and hold the stop button until you hear a beep. Congratulations, your cobot is ready for programming.
Thank you for tuning in to our latest automation tutorial. We hope you enjoy your newest employee. If you found today's video informative and educational, please let us know in the comments below. To view our full product line, visit us at www.promationusa.com. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more educational videos, and remember to go pro.